reason why I'm starting this channel, the world is about to go to shit in a handbasket globally. You don't even have to look hard, and you can find hundreds, if not thousands of videos of people, compilations of people that have lost their jobs, losing their jobs, about to lose their jobs, all because CEOs want their $4 or $5 million bonuses for trimming costs. All you have to do is think about replacing your income that you have lost or are losing or going to lose, because it's going to happen. It's going to be such a damn job dump like you wouldn't believe. I've been doing this for decades and decades and decades. I keep everything extremely, extremely simple, and trading is not that difficult. Few things you have to learn. One of the videos I will make as absolutely as quickly as I possibly can is the 7 things you must change to be a trader. It is extremely simple. You know, there's points where people get into trades and they lose and they just can't fathom why. And what I do, the way I do it, is I don't necessarily watch price. I watch my right hand column. I watch for colors to pile up in a specific order. Once those colors are in the order that they're supposed to be, I put either a buy on if they're piled the right way, or I put a sell on when they're piled the right way. I don't give a shit about price at that point. EMAs are exponential for a reason. It takes a lot of force to force them to cross over. And once they do cross over, they very seldom immediately cross back over. So let's put it this way, EMAs don't fall to the head fakes. The biggest part of it is getting bored out of your tree, because you can really get bored out of your tree doing it. But I used to spend 12 hours in a factory just getting bored to death. And I knew I was going home with less than $200 for the shift. So initially I started doing this, picking it back up and trading, replacing my income, making $200 a day, $300 a day, $400 a day, in an office in a big city. You know, and you just lost your job and you're making $500 a day. This is simple and an awful lot quicker than putting in a 8, 10, 12, a 14-hour day. That's the way I look at it. That's the way I'm going to keep it. And I'm not going to let anybody change that on me. Not ever. This is, I know it's a hard kick right where you don't want one as an introduction to a channel, but I'm never going to apologize for it. So don't ever expect it. This is just as straightforward. I'm going to show you how I trade and the years and years and years of understanding price movement, and I mark it up constantly on the chart, and I'm always talking my way through it. It's one of the reasons why I decided to do this channel, was the fact that I was already talking my way through trades. So I figured, hell man, I might as well hook a microphone up and just streaming of my screen, let other people watch, let other people learn, give them a chance to have some kind of a life, because governments, corporations, idiots are out to screw the world right into the ground. The only ones that we have to watch out for while trading are the institutional idiots. So they're the only ones that we have to watch out for. More on them later. I think I'm going to end this introductory video right in this neighborhood. So welcome aboard. Hit that damn subscribe button. Bye for now. I do care, so take care of yourself.